What's going on, guys? It's Liam from the Euro Crew, and today we've got an unboxing of Dishonored, the T-shirt edition. It's pretty cool game man thing. So let's open this thing up. It's got a cool opening here. Alright, let's get to the smallest thing first. First it comes with a keychain. Pretty cool keychain actually. Keychain. Open this up. If I can get it out. Yeah. It looks pretty sick. You can see the crystal eyes here. It's pretty sick. Next, we have the game. We have the game here. Cool game. We might as well open this as well. Open this. Yeah, game's pretty sick. Let's open this thing up. So yeah, we got the game on the side, and don't think there's any DLC. You don't get any DLC with this, but yeah, it's just a regular Dishonored manual, just like any other game. And this here with the keychain. And last but not least, we have the main event, which is the T-shirt. Now that's pretty sick. Let's see that. That's really sick. On the back you can see it says Dishonored on the back. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the T-shirt pack of Dishonored. Put this back in the cool little bag here. Comes with a sick ass bag, keychain, and the game. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe and peace out.